With uncertainty now looming in the markets as inflation rates continue to climb, savvy investors are looking at surefire investments that pay passive income in the form of dividends. Now is a time where it becomes crucial to take advantage of opportunities available for undervalued stocks that pay healthy dividends that continue to appreciate. Using the principles of value investing as well as dollar cost averaging will allow your investments to grow over time into income-producing assets. In this video, I'll discuss 3 different dividend stocks that you can purchase in August 2021, which are still undervalued and present great opportunities for not only gaining profits, but collecting substantial dividends along the way. Get ready, you are now entering the Academy. As we start approaching the end of the summer of 2021 and the market stands at nearly all-time highs, investors are wondering what stocks to invest in to make huge gains in the long term. The savvy investor takes precautions during times like these and understands value versus demand and what assets are underappreciated with higher return potential. With this, the consideration of dividend income is key as assets can stay underappreciated for long periods of time, and in the meanwhile, an investor can collect passive dividend income as they wait for the asset to appreciate. Dips in a generally speaking healthy market should be taken advantage of as the markets continue to trend upward through 2021. But dividends provide that extra safety net that allow one to not only collect income on these assets, but also reinvest these dividends back into the asset to grow dividend income even further. Without further ado, here are the 3 stocks that are undervalued and provide great opportunities for not only long-term gains, but significant dividend passive income along the way. For the first stock, we have Annaly Capital Management Inc., ticker symbol NLY. Annaly Capital Management is a diversified capital management company that invests in and finances residential and commercial assets. Its investments include agency mortgage-backed securities, residential and commercial real estate, and mid-market lending. The company has about $100 billion in total assets and has been named as a top 10 REIT or real estate investment trust. REITs are a great investment vehicle because by law, they are required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income each year to its shareholders as dividends. Usually, these higher dividend yield stocks do come with some volatility to payouts each year, but with volatility comes greater dividend payouts and potential appreciation as well. With the current share price of $8.39 per share, a low price-to-book ratio, and an annual dividend yield of a whopping 9.54%, this presents the savvy investor the perfect opportunity for a low-risk, high-reward income-producing asset to invest in for the long term. The second stock is AGNC Investment Corp., ticker symbol AGNC. AGNC Investments is an internally managed REIT, just as the first stock in our list, that primarily invests in RMBs, or residential mortgage-backed securities, using leverage. It finances its holdings through collateralized borrowings structured as repos, which are repurchase agreements, a type of financial instrument in which a dealer sells government securities to investors, often on a limited time basis, and then buys them back shortly after at a higher price. In these transactions, the dealer selling the repo is effectively borrowing and the other party is effectively lending. Most of agency's portfolio is guaranteed by the government, meaning that if the borrower defaults on the loan, agency will still get paid its principal and interest. Mortgage REITs generally have higher dividend yields than the rest of the REITs, and with current dividend yield of 8.4%, agency could provide another great hold for income-seeking investors in their portfolios. The final stock is New Residential Investment Corp., ticker symbol NRZ. New Residential Investment Corp. Is also a mortgage REIT. It provides capital and services to the mortgage and financial services industries. The company invests in assets with stable, long-term cash flows. Its investment portfolio includes mortgage service-related assets, non-agency securities, residential loans, and other related investments. The company has doubled its dividend amount over the past year to 2 cents per share. It pays a quarterly dividend, and its average consensus has the stock price at a 20% upside potential. At its current price of $9.40 per share, and with a dividend yield of 7.5%, this is another no-brainer income-producing asset that has great upside and will pay substantial dividend income along the way. Well, there you have it. This video provided 3 stocks that are underappreciated as of July 2021 and can be added to any savvy investor's portfolio in the coming month, providing not only capital gain opportunities, but substantial dividend income along the way. Annaly Capital Management, Agency Investment Corp., and New Residential Investment Corp. offers investors substantial passive dividend income that can grow over time. This is only possible because they are dividend stocks. The market senses are at high risk in their business operations, even though through analysis that is not always the case. While the market is right to be cautious, it's that caution that provides potential opportunity for patient investors. Their underlying businesses remain solid despite the near-term risk they face. As a result, an investment today could provide shareholders with both income today and the possibility for growth into the future. That's what makes them dividend stocks worth considering buying now. If you'd like to pick up some of these stocks now, make sure to use the Webull stock trading app, which provides a great vehicle to purchase stocks commission-free, thus providing a great way to create and grow a dividend income portfolio using the methods mentioned previously. And if you register now and make your first deposit, you will receive 2 free stocks that can be worth up to $1,600. So make sure you take advantage of this offer now. Be sure to check out the links in the description to get started on creating your very own passive income producing asset and start your path toward financial independence. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button. It will really help out the YouTube algorithm in bringing you more passive income and wealth creation strategy videos. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to the 10X Academy. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be alerted on more passive income strategy videos. This is the 10X Academy.